Okay, we can also multiply polynomials. So when you are multiplying polynomials, you must multiply each term in the bracket by whatever is out front. So we're going to do that distribution idea. Remember that when you are multiplying, you add the exponents. So this means that x squared times x cubed is x to the fifth, because really what that means is I have 2x's and then another 3x's. So I have 5x's altogether. Watch out for those invisible ones. X to the 1, x to the 1 means it's x to the 2. When you have a coefficient out front, you multiply the coefficients. 2 times 3 is 6, and then x times x squared is x to the power of 3. So we're going to distribute. So 3 times 2x squared is 6x squared, and 3 times negative 3x is negative 9x, and 3 times positive 5 is plus 15. Okay, now we're going to go 2x times negative 3x is negative 6x squared, because I have 2x's, and 2x times positive 1 is positive 2x. And the last one here, negative 3x times times positive 2x is negative 6x squared. Negative 3x times negative 3y is positive 9xy. Negative 3x times negative 1 is positive 3x. Let's look at this last example, finding the area. So we did perimeter when we were adding. Area is length times width. We know that. And the length of this rectangle is 5x, and the width is 5x minus 4. So I'm going to distribute 5x times 5x will be 25x squared, and 5x times 4 minus 20x is my area. Okay, you go ahead and practice some multiplying now.